this year, Thaipusam festival will be celebrated without any crowd, without any devotees. And very simple, we are going to abide the SOP, we are going to celebrate. The silver chariot, after the prayers at Sri Mahamariamman Temple, Devasthanam Jalan Banda, it will leave to Bhakti Caves at 3 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. 2:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. it leaves to Bhakti Caves. No stop at all. And it will reach about 5:30 to 6. So it depends on the, there will be no any traffic, but anyway, we have to see the roads and everything. We are expecting the chariot to come here 6 a.m. During the chariot procession, like usual years, we do all the, the Nadaswaram, music, all is nothing. We don't want to go against the MKM. The MKM approval, we got it very, you all should know, understand. First, we wrote a letter to the Minister of Unity and was turned out. And again, we appealed to the ministry and also some ministers, also turned down. And last Thursday, even we received a letter, tidak dibenarkan by MKM, last Thursday. Then immediately we appealed to the Minister of Unity and the MKM, please allow this chariot, because you know that tradition, you must understand, we are bringing the veil from Amman temple. Actually, Thaipusam, you all must understand, falls on the month of Thai, on full moon day. That was the day the Shakti, the Parvati, gave the veil to Lord Murugan. That's why traditionally we are bringing the veil from Sri Mahamariamman Temple to Bhakti Caves. We don't want any crowd, any single devotees to come to Sri Mahamariamman Temple. That is on day of tomorrow morning, 3 a.m. We don't want anybody to come. Please be at home. Only 10 people are allowed during the Thaipusam. Follow the chariot. Among these 10 people, one baggy driver who is going to drive the chariot, and also the people carrying the, the cable, linesmen also included, and AJK about 5 people. So all the other 5 people will be, people are working on it. Then on the other ceremonies all will take place, like flag raising ceremony. After that there will be a pujas for the shrines. That all you can see from your house. We are direct telecasting the mantras and the omam. Also many people are not allowed, Only the priest and people are doing things. Only 5 people. 5 people are allowed. Only 5 people are allowed during this time. This is all because of the safety of the people, not for anything else. This is COVID-19. You all know very seriously spreading. Despite of this, we got this approval. We must be very thankful to the government. We want the chariot to come. It's coming. It's not a procession, you must understand. It's not a procession, stop, take archanas and pujas, nothing. It will just bring that veil. Murugan, Lord Murugan with his concert will be coming, carrying the veil and coming to Bhakti Caves. This is a traditionally and every year this is the one will take place. So this year also is the same thing. Then after this time we have arranged a special pujas, Hargala Puja, Hargala Omam, 6. Not like before. Before it won't take place. Straight away the Palkodam will take place in Bhakti Caves. This year the flag raise ceremony will take place on Wednesday morning. Only 5 people. We raise the flag. Then the thing will be taken up. And the usual pujas. Pujas mean one session. Only 5 people will be conducting the pujas. But we have arranged to the devotees to watch these programs from the house. We have, I think, put that we love Bati Caves.